Have you ever wondered if insulating your garage is really worth it? Many homeowners think of the garage as just a place to park their car, but it can have a significant impact on your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and even the temperature of the rooms connected to it. During the summer, an uninsulated garage can become extremely hot as the sun heats the roof, walls, and garage door. That trapped heat doesn't always stay in the garage. It can transfer into adjacent rooms, making bedrooms, family rooms, or laundry rooms more difficult to keep comfortable. In the winter, the opposite happens. Cold outdoor temperatures quickly cool an uninsulated garage, allowing that cold air to affect nearby living spaces. Rooms that share a wall or ceiling with the garage often become some of the most uncomfortable areas of the home. Proper garage insulation helps create a thermal barrier between the garage and the rest of your home. By slowing the movement of heat, insulation helps maintain more consistent indoor temperatures while reducing the workload on your heating and cooling system. Garage insulation also helps make the garage itself more comfortable. Whether you use your garage as a workshop, home gym, hobby space, or simply for storage, insulation can help reduce temperature extremes throughout the year. Many homeowners are surprised to learn that insulation can also help reduce noise transfer between the garage and the living areas of the home. While fiberglass insulation is primarily designed for thermal performance, it also provides sound-absorbing benefits that can make nearby rooms quieter and more comfortable. The effectiveness of garage insulation depends on proper installation. Walls, ceilings, and any shared walls between the garage and the home should be insulated correctly to create continuous coverage without gaps or compressed areas that reduce performance. If your garage includes an attic space above it, adding insulation there can further improve comfort by reducing heat gain during the summer and minimizing heat loss during the winter. Some common signs your garage may benefit from additional insulation include rooms next to the garage that are difficult to heat or cool, a garage that's uncomfortable to work in, excessive heat during the summer, freezing temperatures during the winter, or rising heating and cooling costs. Whether you're building a new garage, finishing an existing one, or simply looking to improve your home's overall comfort and energy efficiency, properly installed insulation can make a noticeable difference throughout the year. Every home is different, and the best insulation solution depends on how your garage is constructed and how you use the space. A professional insulation evaluation can help determine the right approach for improving comfort, reducing energy loss, and increasing the efficiency of your home. To learn more about garage insulation and other homeowner education topics, visit rsiinsulation.com for additional resources and information about improving your home's comfort and energy efficiency throughout the Salt Lake City area.